Thutha wa kwihitithio kwa President Dagitari William Ruto mweri-ini wa kenda mwaka uyu, kiria heire ya Kenya ni ciiraniro nene na ire cama iria makoretwo metereire ihinge na ari meikarire yao yagirire umuthi uyu, imwe cia ikihinga na ingi igitigwo irio ciiraniro. Hari riboti irerekereirio umuthi ni kambuni ya uthuthuria ya Infotrack ya kugereka thikũ 100 cia thirikari, President William Ruto erikanite gukorwo ahingitie ciiraniro kuri ya Kenya na gicunjĩ kia 52 harĩ 100.
So in a nutshell, on the elements that the president pledged to work on, his score is a C. The areas that seem very critical for him to address as a matter of urgency are the economic areas.
Tabarira cia uthii wa nambere ikoneka kuhea Kenya mwihoko na President Ruto riu makimuhe gicunjĩ kia 59.9 harĩ 100.
That translates to a C. And then we also included there his performance with regards to foreign affairs, dealing with regional and international countries as the Kenyan government, and there he got a significantly higher score than we've seen in the past at a mean rating of 62%, which generally translates in terms of foreign affairs to a B.
Kigina kia Hustler Fund ni kimwe gia ciiraniro iria ihingite na gukenererwo ni ya Kenya muno gikihe thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza gicunjĩ kia 55.8 harĩ 100. Hari ugai wa kigina kuma kuri thirikari nene nginyagia thirikari-inĩ cia kaunti, Akenya makonania mwihoko na thirikari ya Ruto riu makimuhe gicunjĩ kia 55.3 harĩ 100, guku ningi makionania mwihoko na mitaratara ya ugani wa magoti harĩ thirikari ikiheo gicunjĩ kia 52.9 harĩ 100. Ona kuri uguo Mukenya koneka gukorwo ang'urikitio ni kwaga gukinyanira gwa kiraniro gia kugwa kwa ngarama ya muturire, riu President Ruto akiheo gicunjĩ kia 42 harĩ 100 harĩ undu uyu.
He should address the cost of living, the cost of basic commodities, and then the expanding of the wealth creation bracket so that we have financial inclusion for those who are marginalized, women, youth, persons living with disability, the elderly who have at this point lost their ability to actively generate their own income. Kiria gikuite buritatha hari ciiraniro ici gikoneka gukorwo ari kwaga gutiruka hari thogora wa irio, Akenya makiuga mationete utiganu na hau kabere, haha Ruto akiheo grade ya E ari gicunjĩ kia 39 harĩ 100. If he does so, then perhaps when an assessment of the scorecard is done in the first year, then perhaps we'll see the assessment moving from a C to a B plus or even an A.
Icigo cia Nairobi na Nyanza ni kuona banene ya ikari monanitie wagi wa mwihoko muno na thirikari ya President Dagitari William Ruto. Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwagi.